Hello, internet fans. Alrighty. So this next session, we're going to troubleshoot the API connectivity and functions some more, which are the bugs that we've been facing. So now that this has been running for a while, let's see what it's stuck on. It looks like it's still trying to connect. So, are we in the bot Bitmex orderbook py? Let's log our API key and API secret. Or we can't log. I can print. Is it test.deribit? Yep. You missed test app. Yep. It's doing that a whole lot though. Must be in a loop. Order book. No, we only need to do this once, I guess. No, we just don't need to init it. So we're already passing it the self.public client. Oh, so it's doing it over and over again, which is why I got stuck on PC before. That makes sense. So it's probably not pulling down the order book because update doesn't get called. Let's just do self.update. Action and values. For V and values. So update. It's gonna grab the doesn't need any of this. Doesn't need any of this. Where's get prices? Get prices. Bid, min, price, max, okay. Oh. OB equals self.bc. So, OB. All we care about is the best price and best the best bid and best So, OB.best ask price. OB.best bid price. And say, oh, what did I just do? I closed by mistake. That's okay, we're done editing, I think. None type has no self.pc. So we're not done already. Okay. Self.pc. None type. So why is none type? Print self.pc. None. Bitmex. Print self.public client. None. Self.public client. Init client. print client. None, so it's not getting here for some reason. Why are we not editing client? It's not getting there either. Okay. I still don't have demo here. You have self.demo. Oh, self.demo. Demo. Aha, so now we're getting somewhere. Execution failed. Bot run, public client, get order book, JSON message. Invalid or unsupported instrument. BGC perpetual. BGC perpetual order book instrument. Required instrument name. Am I doing it wrong? Instrument name BGC. Ah, it's a dash, not an underscore. BTC perpetual. BTC perpetual. That's so silly. Replace all those files. Save, 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 and try again. Dict object has no attribute best ask price. So somewhere in our order book, it's doing, so let's do prints B. Okay, so this order book is bids, asks, min, max, mark, low. Well, for the purpose of the demo, we're just going to do last. We don't have to print the order book every time we do this. Dict. Okay, so now we don't have to print the client every time we do this stuff. So it's getting our last value now. We're just going to get rid of these prints because they're useless. Print, public, print client, prints, client. Somewhere else in here we get self.public client. All right, so now where is it getting hung up? I mean, that's fine. We know the order book is working. I think the order book is working. Let's just try getting rid of this. Self.op. self.ob.ask and bitmin equals 926255. Bitmin. So we're going to replace these with static values so that this update every go so we can see where else it's getting hung. Bitmex object. So we're going to create this object equals and we'll see where else it's getting hung up. Okay. Self.onUpdate margin. Let's see if it hangs up in the same place. I wish it would give us errors when it doesn't like stuff. So it's onUpdate margin. Margin. Self.update margin longer.info test. See who's getting in this function? Nope. Oh, it's not sending them. Self.onUpdate margin. Oh, these are all functions. But they're only passing self, so we're going to get errors here because they're expecting other things because they suspect them to be a bind from the WebSocket. See? All right, update OH solving. So we don't have action or new data. If self.data is none. Self.data. We don't have new data. So let's just get rid of this because we don't have new data. So this is getting last trades. All right. So when we get last trades, let's see what happens. So where's my return? Return. Don't need you. List object is not callable. Let's try to call it fetch original CV. Trying to call it. Oops, it's not callable. Alright, index is not a valid datetime index or period index. What does that mean? Pandas, pandas. Bitmex PY. To data frame. Source. So we don't have an index. So let's just get rid of that. Let's just get rid of this. We can't allocate resample data bin size. Where does data come from? Data. Didn't give us an error. So what is it dying on? Fetch actions. It's still trying to get less trades. What is it trying to do with get less trades? Source equals. So let's not do 500. Let's do like 10. Because that was the amount to look up. Still not doing anything. Maybe it's working. No, it probably isn't. While true, so we don't need to do a while true here. Because it's going to do it in the other while true loop. Okay, break outside loop. List object is now resample. What is this resample? Sample. Don't need to do that. Let's just return the source. So it's not a pandas data frame anymore because we removed all that. Okay, list has no iLock. That's somewhere else, isn't it? Bitmex 527. Let's just do D1. Get rid of that resample. So this is, okay, so print let's just do something. So this is actually looking at it as a pandas data frame, which we removed. So here's our stuff here. So resample data, open, close, high, low, volume. Might as well just take the most recent one. But it doesn't even have, so the bins and the trades aren't the same. Let's just take price. Self.data 0 price. And then volume, is there such a thing as volume? Amount. So for all these, let's just do this. So we're actually pulling the wrong data. It shouldn't be pulling trades at all. It should be pulling like the history of like a bucket of trades, which is what Bitmex expected. But for the purpose of the POC, we can just use price for all these. I mean, it won't be accurate, but it'll work. And this is going to be amount. Try that on for size, guys. I actually don't have to. What do you mean you don't have a price? Do you think it's like this? And we don't have to print this anymore. Okay, so now we're on update instrument. We're missing update instrument. Missing action instrument. What is instrument? we just need market price. So what was it? 92.16. I wrote something. Python, you indentation monster. Okay, we're in something else here. We're in get position. Get position. So filter, we don't like that. Get position is not callable. Print ret. Let's see what we get here. So remember when we ran the Bitmex client, we actually needed a position for it to work. Get position. Yeah, that's exactly what we got. So in my Deribit, I need to open a position. I need to open a market order for like 1,000 or like 10. Just buy that. Yeah, let's buy that. Okay, so no market order. Here's my position. Try it again. No, we still wrote something. So here's my position. Current quantity. So my position 0. Print ret 0. Return. Oops. Self.position equals ret 0. Current quantity is not it. It's a size amount. Current quantity amount. All right, we're on to the next one. We're on to update wallet. Update wallet. Because now we have our position, we have our order book, we have everything we need. Self.wallet. Okay. Update position, action position. Get position amount, self set trail price, self market price. Let's see where it dies here. Position is not defined. Position equals. Oh, position. What was the average entry price anyway? Average price. Self-top position. self-definition and position. Where are we? 594. Unrealized profit and loss. Unrealized P&L. Profit loss. Unrealized P&L. Profit loss, right? On-update margin doesn't have these things here, but I don't need that. I just need self. We don't need this self no longer anymore because it's expecting REST client has no instrument. Client.instrument. Where is this? $172. So market price anyway we already know is 9262. Excess margin on margin. Again, all we really want is a functional POC that enters an order. Come on. REST client has no. Oh, it's trying to enter an order. Wow. Where are we? On get open order on 426. Order get open orders. Order get open orders. Get open orders. Instrument ID. Order. It's entering orders. So what's these errors we're getting? I can hear it enter orders. I don't know if you guys did. Where's my Deribit? Aha, recent trades. No, where's my stuff? Get out of here. History. So we're actually negative 890 now. And we've lost some money in the session. But if we look at our order history, it's done stuff. It's done a whole bunch of stuff. So, what's this error we're getting? It doesn't matter actually, that error. Get object is not callable because it's already doing it. 300. 300? 300. 300. So we got to figure out why it's doing orders over and over again. Well, what just happened? Because it didn't do that in our last one. iLock. List has no iLock. In Bitmex on 537. 537. Try. We don't need this. We need end time. Now it's not doing orders. It was doing orders before. Strategy entry. So why does entry not give us an order? Self.order. Sorry, prints order. So it's not giving the orders. Returning before that, if long. Oh, so it doesn't want to do print exit long. So the logic of the bot is working because it's not entering against itself. No, it's actually exiting before that. If not when. What is when? When? If not when. Quantity. If my margin balance is less than 0, or my quantity is less than 0, quantity is less than or equal to 0. So why is quantity going to be 0? Entry. Lot. Print lot. Print lot. This could just be because the strategy is working. Print lot. But we don't know that yet. Print. Oops. Is it lot? Yeah. Get lot. Print lot. Print lot. Margin position. Print margin. Print position. So one of these shouldn't be. No, margin balance and initial margin. Print margin. Try available funds. No, it still doesn't want to. So my lot is all over the place. What is my initial? What is my margin balance? Position initial margin. So that's really small. But it's also times. What is get retain rate? Why don't I just return? If I'm going to be doing shortcuts, we'll always do lots of. No, let's just do return on it. Okay, now I got to figure out why it's entering order after order. Stop is not a number. Oh, it's probably because we don't have stops in here. Oh, we have lots of profit on this one, which is good. It's a market making bot though, so we don't want to pay fees. So we need the order book to actually be the order book. OB equals not this. Still doing order after order. And something else is broken. No, it's just that my position size is huge for some reason. On my lot does that. Get lot. Return 1. All right, let's try closing this. Let's try to do another market. I wonder where our BTC's at. No, we lost some BTC. That's okay. All right, USD buy again and buy. Okay, let's try this and go. So are these all executing? Quantity 12, short, market. Oh, what? These are markets? These are all markets. I wonder why they're doing markets. Market. Else. LF post only. LF limit. LF stop. These probably should be limits. Limit is greater than. Let's just do limit. These are all markets then. Limit equals 1. Our position size is too big. Again. Close. Bye. Let's die on something else here. Steal order ID. It's just order ID. also think I need to buy something to have on hand. Lost a lot of money so far. But if it enters that limit this time, no, still something. TikTok judge is not callable. Oh, I know what's going on. It's because market is all messed up. Buy. Limit is 1. So it should be more or less above or below the price so it doesn't enter immediately. Maybe these are just orders, maybe these aren't executions. No, trade notification. Order makes it short. 1. Oh, limit can be 1. Limit has to be if side equals, because that's the price we're buying at. I can't buy at 1. Limit equals self.ob.get best ask. So we'll just do it at buyer ask. And one of these is going to be right. It's either this or the reverse of this. I'm not good at binary logic. Did I break? Position size. Close and close. And market and market. And buy and buy. Whoops. Buy and buy. Alright. Just buying. So these ordering trade notifications, so they're the opposite. Because we don't enter at market, we should be able to save some fees. What's this now? It's broken on something else. Open orders. What do you mean it's not order ID? And 424. Whoops, what did I break? 424. Whoa, stop doing stuff. 424. Print order. place and save and run. What else is broken? Invalid price. Amend order. Amend order. Limit. Okay. Limit equals. Amend order. We're just going to use our own limits, man. I think that's far safer. What are our runtimes at on this session? We're nearly done building this bot, though. Let's check runtime. So our max position size is all messed up. Positions. Why is our max position size all messed up? Market and market. What's our runtime? We are at 47 minutes. I gotta close this session here soon. But good news is did I just do a trade? There we go. We should have a bot here soon. And then we can just close the didn't order. Are all these trading, or are they actually new orders on the go? There are no open orders, they're all trading. So ask max bid in. If I'm buying, I want to buy at the ask max. I'm selling myself the bid min. Go. Do your thing, bot. Anyway, we should see open order. There still are none. What we're breaking here? No, there are open orders. They're just being pulled pretty quick. And this could be a problem with the Deribit API, because I did notice, see, there's an open order here. Look, it's open. But I did notice that there's fake taker volume on the Deribit API when I made a bot before. So that could be why these orders are being taken up. But we're actually now making money on the spread. Which is good, because we're making the difference in the fees. It's just buying books. I wonder if we can make them post only though, because what are our orders? Our orders are limit now, and limit. These ones. Let's make them post only. This means that it'll only execute if it makes against the books, so it won't execute if we're paying fees on it. And our max position size is broken now. Market. Buy. Buy. And buy. And buy. And buy. Alright, what are you doing now, bot? Okay, let's try again. So these should be post only, but I don't see open orders. Oh yeah, okay. They're just really quick. I think our runtime is going over here, so we're at 51 minutes. If I go back to my VMware player and throw myself in here, Whoa, I broke it. Oh no. I wonder if I saved what I was just doing. I certainly hope so. Okay, let's kill our box. We're slowing down our computer here. We're slowing my projects. And if I scroll down to building, porting, project outline. So this now lasted, how long are we now? 52 minutes. So we just ended up finishing how to debug the bugs we were facing in our switch from Bitmex to Deribit on this trusty bot. And now we're going to go ahead and close this session, and we'll probably be back 49, 43. Where's my calculator? 49 plus 43 plus 45 plus 52. 189, 60. So we're at 3.15 hours. So we're going to come back for a summary that's going to last probably 0.15 times 60. 51 minutes, and we're going to look at this bot and see how it performs and see if we can tune it at all. So let's do another session here. Session 5. Summary and tuning. Now that we have ported, let's tune and save that. And save. Alrighty, so we'll be back in just a minute. Thanks, everybody.